My name is Constantine Agbo. I am here to introduce the Kekeli Borborbor Group. The group is named and called Kekeli Borborbor Group. We hail from the various sections of Kweta traditional area, namely Achom, Ashanti, and the Koji. The Kweta traditional area is led by Togui Gaje the Ninth. He is the paramount chief of the area. The other chiefs include Togui Helekuku the 11th of Achom, Togui Avlo the 5th of Bavi, Togui Ahun the 5th of Bato, Vincent Churo, head of Jagavi family. The others are Togui Basa the 5th of Yigavi, Togui Apokre the 5th of Deto, Togui Nani the 5th of Begbi, and Geshen Agorote the Ametitia of Anigbedomi. The Kekeli Borborbor Group is based at Achom, hence it is mainly under Togui Helekuku and his elders. The Kweta community are predominantly peasant farmers. We produce such crops as cassava, maize, and some vegetables. Kweta produces the bulk of Volta region's banana, soursop, and so on. We produce traditional cash crops such as cocoa and coffee, and non-traditional cash crops are xylopia, monodera, nutmeg, bitter kola, black pepper, aframono, and others. Our forefathers were very brave hunters. They joined other hunters in hunting in the olden days, and a leopard was killed. Our people struggled bravely and took the head of this leopard. Hence, their name, Bota Duao, which is now known as Boeta. We love drumming and singing. Our drumming groups include Borborbor, Gabada, Asafobu, and others. We have a number of choral groups as well. The Kekeli Borborbor Group was founded by Mawena Apeti, Martin Komalaga, Patience Ameho, and Samuel Doku in the year 2019. That is 6 years ago. The group is well dedicated to the chiefs and elders and the community at large. Proceeds from the performances of the group is used to keep the group going and also to promote culture in the whole West District. Kweta has a number of tourist attractions, e.g. the beautiful Chi Falls, the Agakono, Taulo, the Kwekbe Falls, just to name a few, the evergreen scenery of the place, and the numerous streams. Kweta battles to get potable water as all our streams are now polluted. We suffer serious post-harvest losses as we lack market and good road to transport our produce to other market centers. We humbly solicit your votes. Vote Kekeli Borborbor Group to champion the 2025 Borborbor Championship.
Together, we are Kekeli Borborbor Group.
Music is our priority.
We can do more through music. Thank you.